Today you're going to learn exactly how to get a bright, stunning under eye using these two products. What I've learned is that it's all about technique and how you apply it. It doesn't really matter about like the products or how expensive they are. If you know me, you know my skin is so dry. So I'm going to spray some of this Dewy Coconut Setting Spray by e.l.f. on my skin. Now that it's damp, I'm going to use concealer. So concealer should always be about 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer, shade Fair Warm. So we don't want to apply the concealer everywhere because then it's going to kind of take away from that brightness. So remember that a little goes a long way. I'm going to apply like a literally, that's all you need. Oh, that was even too much. But just like apply a dot right there. Then what you want to do with your ring finger, this finger here, you're going to basically just blend it. Don't blend it, but just spread it like that all over your under eye. I have found this technique to be like the best at giving me a super bright under eye, and it also creates separation from blush to concealer. It works so well, and it's like my favorite little hack to getting really bright under eyes quickly. I applied way too much on this eye, so I'm just going to spread it on the back of my hand. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now you're going to let it sit for a minute, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to make it brighter. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about a minute. What you want to do is grab a brush like this. So this is the Do Care Brown Foundation Brush number 159. And you're not going to drag it. What you're going to do to blend it is you're literally just going to press it into your skin. Continue to press it until it's all kind of like on your skin. But I wouldn't recommend dragging it because it's just going to remove that bright under eye that you have. Now we're going to move on to the other side. Just continue to press it. You can also use whatever's remaining, like kind of move it down by your nose or on your nose if you find that your nose is a little red. Here is what we're left with. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and I'm going to show you the last step. Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back and I always make sure to do my powder before I even curl my lashes and apply mascara. If I find that I do it the other way around, I can't get like right here where my lash line is, and I found that that's like the most important part to a bright under eye. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. HD powder, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put like a very tiny amount into the pan. This is a Do Care brush number 05. I find that this brush picks up the powder so well, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like that to pick up some of the powder. Now what you're going to do is you're basically just going to pat it onto your under eye. You're going to find that this does a really good job at minimizing oil and shine as the day goes on as well. Also apply it right here. I'm on a time crunch, so I'm trying to rush. And then I always make sure to get my forehead, but just continue to pat. Go in a second time. Here's the finished result. Thank you so much for watching.